Let your music taste shine with Premium. Host a jam with your friends and share your favorite songs with the entire squad, without ad breaks. You can also play your favorite albums in any order with unlimited skips and repeats. Tap the banner to learn more.
All right, guys. We're about to get the stream started. All right, guys. Let's see what we can do. Let's see how we can make some money this morning. Let's see what we can do, guys. That's what we can do. Let's see how we can make some money. Let's see how we can make some money, guys. Let's see how we can make some money. So I'll be doing a top-down analysis on this pair right now. So let's see. I'm doing a top-down analysis. I'm doing the top-down analysis. So let's start with Forest Factory. Let's see what we have going on our Forest Factory. Let's see if there's any news event or anything going on entirely. So let's see. So today is Tuesday. There's nothing going on. There's no USD news. Just NZD and AUD and Euro orange folder. So that's what we have currently now. So let's go over to gold and let's quickly look at gold. Let's do a proper top-down analysis from the daily time frame to the current time. So looking at the daily time frame, like I said we are looking like gold did a fake out previously on the daily, and you can see a bit of rejection, and we have this bearish candle. So what's going on here is that price has never closed bullish above this level. So this is what we're looking at. Like, this is basically a daily structure. This is daily levels I'm working with right now. So price has never broken above this high, which is 4,024. Price has never broken above that level. So this is an area we are looking at closely, and we are monitoring to see how price reacts off that level. So if I drop down to my 4 hours level, let's start looking for where we can likely get opportunities to place a trade. Just hold on, guys. So if I drop down to the 4 hours time frame, you can see the 4 hours is pushing bullish. So it's doing like a fake out candle now. But notice that we have about 2 hours left. So they see a lot of time for this candle to actually flip bearish if it wants to flip bearish back. So they see a lot of time in this particular candle. So there's also we can do. We just have to wait and observe how it prints. So if I drop down to my 1 hour time frame, I can notice the 1 hour resistance here, support, that price is breaking above, and currently there's a resistance level above this level on the 1 hour. That price is also trying to break above. Now you can see it's gradually trying to break above that level. So that's what price is currently doing at this exact moment. So that's what I can see now. That's exactly what I can see now. So let's drop down to the 30 minutes. Let's see what the 30 minutes is telling us. The 30 minutes is flipping bullish. You can see it flipping bullish right now. So we're using, I think we use the 30 minutes levels. But the only problem here is that we have a lot of resistance, a lot of support level down here that price have rejected multiple times. But if you get a strong 30 minutes closing above this level, I think we can expect price to kind of continue moving to the upside. You understand? Just based on direction and momentum. So we have about 9 more minutes or 8 more minutes to London Open. So London Open should give us a direction that price wants to actually push through, and we can use that to actually execute our trade and look to make money. You understand? I don't want to get into any impulsive entry because this entry looking like it's good for price to continue pushing upward as price break above these highs. But that's not what I'm here for. So it's better like this. See the way gold prints a bearish candle and this bullish closure closing back above. I won't mind this level because if there's volume, I expect price to actually drive and push past that level. But this is also a level we should just keep mind of, because this is where we will likely look to move our stop to PE if price doesn't push way too up. But another thing, if this particular candle decide to hold on, guys. One second, guys. getting something. So if this particular candle right now decide to do something like this, close bullish above this level, which is still going to be good, then we can look for a retest and we look to buy price to the upside. So this is something that I'm looking at closely on gold to see how it's respond. But if you don't get that and price just moves like this, the way it is right now, then we can look for a retest and we can look to continue buying the price to the upside. So this is something I'm considering on gold right now. So let's wait. We have about 6 more minutes to the end of the candle. So let's see how that plays out in 6 minutes. Then we'll know exactly what we're going to do. So let's look at DJ as well. DJ is moving. It's the way DJ is moving. So let's look at DJ. Let's see what DJ is doing. Let's see. Let's see. So DJ is not doing anything I like. It already pushed below major support level, break below, no bottom week, just keep driving to the downside. There's nothing actually going on GJ. So let's just stick to our gold and let's see what gold is going to give us soon as in the next 6 minutes. Then if you get something good, we place an entry. If you don't, then we can look for opportunities to go for short, because now if you look closely at this particular structure, this was a place that price drive down before the previous time. So you can also anticipate a bearish momentum from this level. So let's give in that price close the way it is, and the next candle give us a bearish closure below the structure, like price is doing like this, then close like bearish below the structure. Then we can actually anticipate selling pressure to the downside. That is something that if gold decide that its daily bias is bearish. So if gold decide its daily bias bearish, so this is something you can see. So if you are just tuning into the stream, please do give us a like, give the stream a like, guys. Give the stream a like, show some love to the stream. Give us a like, leave a comment, so we can the algorithm can push our video to more people. So more people can actually join our stream. So that's what's up. So let's keep waiting and let's see how the price ends. We have about 5 more minutes to the end of the candle. Let's see if we get something nice so we can actually make some money. That's just what's going on. Let's see if we can get something nice so we can actually make some money. If we do, we do. If we don't, we don't. So that's just what's going on right now. Let's wait and see how this candle closes. So it's all down. It all goes down to the 30 minutes closure. How this exact 30 minutes candle close. It's going to tell a lot. It's actually going to tell a lot. So 4 more minutes, guys. 4 more minutes to the end of this candle. Let's fasten our seatbelts. Let's put our fingers, our hands behind our butts. Let's sit on it and let's wait and let's see how exactly the candle close and how we will likely get into an opportunity and try and make some money off the trade. And again, happy new month, guys. Happy new month. So this is like basically like the first stream for this month. So happy new month. The year has been there's been a lot of ups and downs, but we see pushing. We see actually pushing. So let's see. So another thing that can happen in this particular structure is if this candle currently now close with a weak bull, like have like quick bullish close like this, then I can actually anticipate a selling pressure, like a break below of the structure, impulsive entry below for price pushing. So this is like multiple scenarios that can happen, and I will look to jump into the trade. You understand, multiple scenarios, possible outcome, and I'll actually look to jump into the trade, see if I can profit of this exact trade. So let's just wait and let's see exactly what price does and how we can make money. So if price close exactly the way it is, not breaking above the structure, then there's no entry for us. We just wait. We just have to wait, because you can see even the 1 hour, if it doesn't close above everything, you have to actually close above 3,994. Like you have to see closure above that level. If you don't get that, then there's no entry. We just sit down and wait for the next 15 minutes to do that. So in the space of waiting, we can actually you can actually miss a move. So that's something that you need to consider, because that's a possible outcome, and that's a possible outcome of something that can actually happen in the chart. So you have to just wait and see what goes on around the chart. Then if you can get something good, then we make money with profit of the trade. That's it. That is, guys. While we're waiting, if you have any question, you have anything you want to ask, feel free to ask. I'm here to answer any question you may have. So you can see prices, I think it's kind of rejecting, but I don't know if the rejection is good enough. So I don't know if I will likely do an impulsive entry if price break below the structure or not. So I have to just wait. And looking at 30 minutes looking at it closing bearish. So I don't know, you might actually look for sales, because let's see how, yeah, it's rejecting. Just what I mentioned, it's actually rejecting. So let's see how it closes. One more minute, guys. Less than 1 more minute. Let's see how this candle close, guys. Less than 1 minute. Let's see if we'll probably get anything, or we'll just wait. So another thing that might likely happen is if price actually closes like this on the 30 minutes, I will likely do an impulsive entry, but I will risk small. The risk is going to be small. I'm going to reduce my risks and just place the buy stop above this level for bullish continuation. You understand? This is something like I'm looking close based on the way this candle close. So if price actually break above this high, there should be an impulsive move, but we'll look to close immediately. Like our closure is going to be quick. So this is something else I am looking at. This is something else I'm looking at that will actually play out. So the candle has closed right now. So let's see what we're going to do. Let's see what our price decides to move. Let's see how price decides to move. So I think I'll actually give this a shot. We'll have like a 50. Okay, let's put it like below the structure. We have like a 39, 40 pips stop loss. I have a 39, 40 pips stop loss. So, because once it breaks above, I don't expect it to come back down. So let's do this. Fuck, I thought I got sleep. I think I got sleep in this trade. I got sleep in this trade. All right, guys. The trade. I honestly don't know what's going on with this trade, but I know I got slipped, and I think I'm going to close. I think I'm going to try and manage this trade. I think that's the only thing I can do right now. I think I'll try and manage this trade because I don't know what's going on with the momentum, the volume. It's just doing its own thing. But let's wait. Let's see how the 5 minutes close first. I'm waiting for the 5 minutes close. Then I know what I'm going to do. Okay, we're back. We're back in our entry. We're back to our entry, guys. We're back to our entry, guys. This trade is fucking with us. Fucking with us, guys. This trade is fucking with us. This trade is messing with us. So if you get back to your entry, if you want to close, you can actually close the trade off. You can actually close the trade off if you want. You can actually close the trade off if you want.
Let your music taste shine with premium. Host a jam with your friends and share your favorite songs with the entire squad without ad breaks. You can also play your favorite albums in any order with unlimited skips and repeats. Tap the banner to learn more.
I'm seeing the trade, guys. I'm seeing the trade actually. I'm still actually in the trade, but it's messing with me. The trade is actually messing with me right now. Let's go, guys. Let's go, guys. You can move your stop loss to break even now. Stop loss to be. Stop loss to be, guys. Stop loss to be. Stop loss to BE, and we will wait for the 15 minutes to close so we can get another possible entry above this size. So let's wait for 5 minutes. Let's see if this price will actually close above this level. Then if you close above this level, we can look for more entries for price to continue pushing to the upside. We can look for more entries for price to continue pushing to the upside. But we need price to close above this level. So I didn't close anything. You can close off. I know you guys saw 20 p. You can close off. But I'm waiting for price to actually um close bullish above that level, so I can look to place more entries. Back to entry again. So BE has been hit. So that's it, guys. That's it. So let's wait. I didn't even say anything, Seth. I didn't even say anything on the chat. So after I send the trade out. This trade was one crazy one, man. He played with my feelings a lot. I was trying to know what's going on in the chat. So let me know if you made money from the trade or you did not enter it. Let me know in the comment section. Let me know. Let me know. So let's take this out. The trade is no longer valid. I'm no longer in the trade. But we can see wait. Let's see how the 15 minutes close. Let's see how the 15 minutes close, guys. Let's see how the 15 minutes close. Let's see if we close above. So I don't think we're getting that closure. Like I said, the entry should have been quick and fast. So I don't think we're getting what we need. So what I'm seeing is that we might likely get some sales on gold, but the sales has to come in when price break below this low. So this is low we're looking at here. This is what low we're looking at. So the sales has to come in when price break below this low. But for that, if you don't get that, there's no selling opportunity. Anyways, guys, I'm right out here. I'm heading out here. So if I see any opportunities, I'll send it out to the group. But for now, see you guys when we see you guys. Peace.